In Jesus, there is a life beyond chaos. There's a life beyond chaos. There may be chaos happening around you, but you'll find yourself that there is a life inside of me that is beyond chaos, that is beyond distraction. The life beyond chaos is in Jesus. Come to Jesus today and receive that life. Receive that life. Receive that life. You can walk with Jesus today, having a life that is beyond chaos. Life that is beyond chaos is in Jesus. And you can accept Jesus today and have him as your Lord and personal Savior. You will walk in that life right now.